Here is a Tradovate review. Tradovate is accessible to Safari, Chrome, or Google. Tradovate is a microfutures for as low as $0.09 that you can trade. It has trade futures which is accessible and modern futures for platforms. It has 40 plus futures trading tools designed specifically for future traders. This suite of tools was built for the modern markets. Identify and execute your next trade with advanced Tradovate tools. You can also have a phone and live chat support, which is actually very nice since for some trading application, you can't actually go ahead and go to contact support if you're experiencing problems. So this is the right one when you're experiencing problem because there is an on-demand streaming market replay, seamless cross-device trading, and third-party charting integrations. So you don't have to worry if you are having a problem to charting tools because it has a lot of third-party charting integrations. And the most importantly, you can trade securely. Your orders are securely held in the cloud, so if your internet has a disruption or connection drops, you don't have to worry about it. You can also try a 14-day free demo if you wanted to make sure if you'd like it. So, once you have already pressed on the green button on their website, you just have to log in to their website and you will be able to see your account. Fast, easy, and convenient.